All right, I'm going to go ahead and look at all three of these guys together because I want you to see the difference between them. It's a little bit confusing because you're used to when you have two parentheses like this that you're multiplying, and this is true, you do, because they're touching. But up here, they're not touching. What you're supposed to do is take this stuff and subtract this stuff. So this is a number, a complex number, minus a complex number. The thing you do need to make sure of is that you distribute just like you always have. So I don't need to distribute anything in front here, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of the parentheses. But I do distribute this guy here, which would leave us with that. What I then have is -6, and then I have a -2i, which is right there. I'm going to skip down to here first. This one here is different because this is multiply, and so you do need to use FOIL. Okay, let's go back up to here. This one here isn't FOIL because it's not addition. This is just what can you multiply. You can multiply the numbers and you can multiply the i's. So the two numbers become -14. The two i's become I squared, which is really -1. This is not a subtraction. This is multiplication. There was never a subtraction problem here or an addition problem. So I multiply them both together and I get a +14. Here, I need to do what? 28 minus 14i plus 16i minus 8i squared. Right away, I squared is equal to -1, so -8 times -1 is +8. 28, I'm going to go ahead and put these two together as 2i. So I end up getting what? 36 plus 2i. Oh, yes. It's sitting right there looking at you. So again, this is subtraction. So you have to distribute and then combine like terms. This is multiplication, which is when you're going to get your I squared there. So be careful with those.